name is Rebecca Urena, and we are here on Behind the Buzz. Joining us today is Hugh from XPhyto. Thank you for joining us today.
Thanks, Rebecca.
So, Hugh, tell us a little bit about your company, what you guys do exactly.
So XPhyto Therapeutics is really a next generation cannabis investment opportunity. So we focus on medical formulation, clinical validation, and European markets.
What is your user base?
So right now we're launching imports into Germany. So we recently acquired a German-based narcotics company, an importer and manufacturer, Vector Pharma. So that will be our segue into imports of both flower and ultimately oil and other distillates and isolates. So that would be our first customer, and then ultimately medical products. So these would be either proprietary or non-proprietary formulas based on clinical validation.
We've seen the market grow so much in the last couple of years. How do you see XPhyto expanding and growing in the next maybe couple of months?
Right. So I think 2 years ago, myself and a partner at Canaccord actually created this company with the expectation that a growing market would ultimately exhaust itself as an investment opportunity, particularly in North America. So we were looking 2 years down the road and said, where is the next wave of opportunity? And that was really medical formulations, and obviously Europe. So as Europe's opened up to cultivation and other types of R&D using cannabis, we were one of the first movers there. So we have the only scientific cultivation and extraction license in Germany, which really sets us apart from some of the competitors.
Are there any new exciting things happening for the company?
Well, we moved pretty quickly. So between our license, our German cultivation and extraction license, the acquisition of Vector, recently secured one of who we believe is one of the top growers in the world as an exclusive European consultant. And I think the next moves will be supply agreements for both flower and oils, distillates, crystallites, and then moving into our imports. So as we advance over the next 3 to 6 months, we'll be building out our facility and ramping up our import business. For
investors that are just learning about XPhyto, what can they look for? Why should they invest in the company?
So I think the way we've positioned ourselves is to do great things, I think pretty exceptional for as little investment as possible. So we avoid large infrastructure projects. We're not growers, other than this unique license in Germany, which is small scale for R&D. On the import side, we're sourcing product from both Canada and South America. So we're looking to compete with much larger players for a fraction of the investment dollar.
So you guys have a lot of things coming up with it, which is so exciting. And thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you very much.
And this has been Behind the Buzz.